Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's King Fusion. Welcome to my stream of MBG, which is Video Game Arcade. In this challenge, I'm going to see how much tickets I'm going to win for fun. The $6 plus $20 bonus. Wish me luck. Alright, let's see how I'm going to first off this. I think I'm going to start with Fishbowl Frenzy. You see the top guys? Yeah, this is just going to be fun. I'm going to do, let's see. Alright, let's see how we're going to do this off with. Oh, we only got 17 tickets. That's fine. I was hoping to get a jackpot for 225, but that's okay. Let's try that again. Alright, let's try that again. What? I just got a jackpot already? Well, that's how you start off the video. Dang. Alright, let's see what my next challenge is for tower tickets. I remember seeing this on Arcade Matt's video. I'm going to try to get the 500 here. See what the strike point is. Let's see, where's the 500? Oh, it's right, coming around, okay. Oh, I was too late. Oh, we only got a 150, that's fine. Well, that's not too bad. Missed again. I'll cut ahead until I get some tickets, guys. Have it late. Or early. No. Oh well, we'll come back to that later. Jack, big fast wheel. Let's see how I can win this. Come around. And I got measly 4 tickets. Lovely. That's just embarrassing. Yes, in case you didn't know, this is in Sherman, Texas, guys. It's one of my games. But turns out it was green to me. 25 tickets. That's here we are at ticket ring. I'm gonna see how well I can do this. Let's see. Oh, not a single grab. That's too bad. Not a single grab. That's okay, folks. I'll try again. One more time. Let's see. Here we are at Wheel of Fortune. Penguin's already at 44. That's kind of weird, guys. Too bad they don't have my favorite game, Whack-A-Mole. Here's the puzzle. Pull the handle to spin the wheel. Let's see what we get. 15. Come on now. That's a mega ripoff. That's how we're kicking out the video, guys. Maybe a little. Oh wait, this one's too pricey. We're gonna go back to this. Alright. Where are my strike points? Let's see how I can get the 500. Where is it? Oh, I see it. Oh, it was too early. Crap. Too early. Crap. Okay, let's try again. Some video. That was a mess up. It was too late. Yeah! Got it! After that many tries. Alright! 500 smackaroonies. That's what Arcade Matt would say. Alright! 500 tickets goes to my card, guys. Awesome. Oh, wow. Wait, did it register twice? What in the world? Did it just glitch? Am I seriously getting 1,000 tickets? No. Okay, never mind. 655. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I can live with that. Let's see how we can get it back to back. That would have been a good challenge for that, but now trying to get the 500. No. I got the 150. Alright, this side's better. Yeah, 150 tickets, that's not too bad, but I wanted the 500. So this thing moves a little slow, so that's not a bad idea. But I'm gonna go back to the blue. Alright, let's see how we can do this. This should be fun. And now. Nope, a little late. Say hello to my dad. Alright, coming around. And now. Nope, a little late. Sometimes it can't glitch. Oh, I got another 150. I know my strike point, so I learned it from an arcade video.
So this is the only one that's not rigged, huh?
No, actually, I had quite a lot of misses, but I'm still learning my strike shots.
Okay, you can stop by.
I know. That's because it just does that when you get your tickets. Sorry, that was my little brother, guys. Wonderful. Say hi. And now. No, I got another 150. Hooray! Well, I'm getting lucky on this one. I probably have over 1,000 tickets now. I did not want to play Mega Stacker because that would have just been really hard to do in the video. Yeah, there we go. Another 500, guys. Yes, finally. After 20 tries. All right. Now we're cooking. Ooh, man. I almost took a lot of my strength, guys. I just had brunch today, but I don't know why this is not happening. Well, let's see how much tickets it's going to give me since it already started with 900. I'll edit that out. This is really a fun game, guys. I am not going to lie. Let's see if it registers twice. If not, then that's fine. I'll just keep going until I'm run out of moolah. Getting close to 400. 400! Okay, 1,400. Alright. Oh, okay. It's 1,460. Okay, good. That's fine. Alright, let's see how we can do this again. Oh, what? Did it register? Okay, good. There it goes. Got plenty of moolah left. Where is it now? There it is. You son of a nut. Come on. Send it on my card. Thank you. Alright, where's it now? Oh, it's coming around. Oh, it's back to back. Dang it. No, I don't want the 150. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't want that. But I'll take it, but still, I was trying to get the 500, but I guess I timed it a little late. Ain't a little late. No, I don't want that again. No. I don't want that. In case you guys didn't see that, I did not want that. I wanted the 500. Oh well. That's okay. Okay. Also, this place in Sherman, Texas, guys, it's an okay place. I mean, I like this place. It's really fun. It's my first time going. It's closer to my parents' place, so it's good enough for me. And now, no, I mean, still like an idiot. I'm just trying to have fun here. And I get another 150. Dang it. That's not what I want. We're getting close to 2,000 tickets already, guys. My goodness. If I can only get like up to 2,000 or more, I might be able to win this before I lose my strike points. Yeah, there's my third 500. All right. Now we're literally over 2,000 tickets, guys. That's just the way we go. Yeah, that's just what I wanted to do, guys. Set this video up, do my recordings, and be happy. All right. That's just how you kick it off with the video. All right. Yeah, we're at over 2,200 now, so it's probably gonna be like over 2,400. I don't know. Oh, so close. Only just 6 cents off. And the game. Hope you all enjoyed that.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's King Fusion. Welcome back to my channel. A lot of y'all have been missing out on my birthday, but I had a fun time when I went to the arcade. And what prizes did I get? Well, got this for the phones or laptops for doing Skype and YouTubing. And the other one is this one, the IntelliStand. Yeah, kind of cool, huh? And the other two I'll put on screen because that's what I also got. So air hockey, that's like this big, and it does take AAA batteries, 3 of them. The last one is a bowling pin keychain. Yeah, so that's what they are, and I'll put this in the whole video for y'all, and I will see you guys next time when I do another arcade challenge or whatever. Bye.